Alright, here's the simplest sound device to make. These are pre-recorded messages, and all you gotta do is remove it from the card carefully without separating anything, and all you need is something to depress this little contact right here to make it play. So, and if you're like me, you've got to have an extra servo laying around. So here's what I've done. I've taken this servo here, and I've trimmed the arm to just the right length, rounded the corner off so that when it goes over the switch, there's no abrupt stop. And all you need to do is glue it down so that when you flip the switch, it actually, side view, pushes the contact down. So, let me show you how to do this. It's real simple. Servo back off. Apply a little bit of hot glue to the battery here. Stick the servo in place. Hold it while the glue dries. And you don't have to sit here and wait through this, so let's fast forward. Okay, so next I put a little dollop of hot glue right on the back of the speaker. Glue it down to the top of the servo. And let it cool. Okay, well here it is, all done. So I've got the servo glued to this little board here. I got the speaker glued to the servo. I've got it hooked up to a receiver. So here you go. The transmitter. Flip the switch. So there you go. You can find these with all kinds of pre-recorded messages, including some that you can record your own messages.